I scored recently well in my GS papers than I'd hoped to be in PSIR. And I will tell you why. I used to have a habit of reading newspapers since an young age. So many of them keep saying that don't read newspapers, skip that. But I'm a person who read newspapers even on the day I went for the exams. And I scored 440 plus in GS, and I'm sure it has helped me in my essay as well. Read newspapers because if almost everything that's being asked in GS3 is current affairs based. If you do not have conceptual clarity, then get it clarified, do your basics well, do your foundation well. But when I attempted GS3 question, none of the questions seemed alien to me. These are the things which have been coming repeatedly over in the newspapers. I'm not saying buy hard the newspapers, don't do that, but read it. Read one. I followed the Hindu because that was more easily accessible. I used to read the Indian Express as well after prelims results came. Read the newspapers, take example. Every fact you write, give an example for that. So I scored 109 and I've been seeing the marks of others. And it was surprising for me that people scored low in GS3. It's not that technical. Do not be scared of it. Read newspapers, make short notes on current affairs which you think are important because most of the questions you could have predicted. Like the Panchamrit goals and everything, it has been in news so many times that I did not memorize many of these things. These were in the back of my mind due to passive reading newspapers. So I would probably rank newspaper reading very high because that helped me score well in GS. And I did not attempt a lot of answer writing. I did a lot of answer writing for PSIR, but that's well a different story. But more than if you have the content, just make sure that you have the knack of answering what is asked. Do not go overboard. Just try to answer the question that is asked. But apart from that, um, just hit the questions, whatever is asked, like just go straight to the answer. Write the introduction, use figures, use maps, do all the creativity part later, but get the foundation and the rest of the part saved. So I think that can help you because I did not write many mock tests for GS. I'm not advising about it, but despite that, the reading helped me how to structure an answer, how to begin an ending, or even the essay, the Sunday magazine, which comes in Hindu. There's so many literature books. There are so many quotes which you can, take directly and use it. I remember I quoted Banu Mustaf's story and everything. So it's great. Even if you don't have the time to read the entire book, read newspapers, read it very well, and that helps in use your discretion, but do it.
Adding to the newspaper part, I use this strategy. I read newspaper daily, but I used to make a very short note. It's if it's in 2 3 words or one liner, just take those points out. For example, there was one news that the district collector of some Gujarat area snatched all the ration card was from one owner because he was scheduled caste. So just try to write it in 2 3 words or one line and try to inculcate in answer writing. This will help in a great way.